everyone, this is Elisa with WTI, and today I want to introduce you to what has become my best friend exercise partner. Powerbeats Pro wireless earphones have been a game changer. I love bringing them with me when I go out for a walk or for exercise. They have a secure fit and they are lightweight and super comfortable. I also appreciate that these provide 9 hours of listening time, so I don't have to carry the case with me when I go out for a walk or a workout. I really like that these are sweat and water resistant, which is a plus for me since I love having my music every time I work out. I also like that they have 3 multi-size ear tips, which is perfect for me since my ears tend to be small, and if the ear tip is a little bigger, it's so painful. These have dual audio control as well, which allows you to control your music completely from your earphone and even your phone calls. You can literally pair these in less than a minute, and I love the fact that it syncs automatically to all your Apple products. Love these earphones, I love the sounds, and I love the noise isolation as well. After owning several earphones, these have by far been my favorites. I highly recommend this. I know you're gonna love them, but that's just my point of view.